Hello everybody, in this video I will show you how to find the equation of a hyperbola. To find the equation of a hyperbola, you need the following. The vertical asymptote, that's what you will substitute in P's place. The horizontal asymptote, that is the number you will substitute in Q's place. And you need one other point consisting of an x and a y coordinate so that you can substitute in x and y's place to calculate a value for a. Give the equation of the hyperbola sketched below. So we start with the formula y is equal to a over x minus b plus q. Then the vertical asymptote was given, and that is the line x is equal to 1. Therefore, in P's place, you can substitute 1. What's also given is the horizontal asymptote, the line y is equal to 2, and in Q's place, you can substitute 2. The third thing you need is a point that lives on your hyperbola, and here you will find the point 2, 5. And I'm going to substitute in y's place the 5 and in x's place the 2. Then under the line 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, we end with a 5 minus 2 is equal to a over 1. 3 is a's value. And then your equation is y is equal to 3 over x minus 1 plus 2. Find the equation of the hyperbola if the vertical asymptote is x is equal to minus 3 and the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 2. B, the point 2, 3 is a point on the graph. Now, can you see there's no sketch here? So you must really know and understand your theory. We will start with the equation y is equal to a over x minus b plus q. Then we will zoom in on the vertical asymptote x is equal to negative 3, and that is p's value. So that will be x minus bracket minus 3. Then the horizontal asymptote is y is equal to 2, and that 2 you will substitute in q's place. And then this other point, the point b2, 3, the point that's on the graph, that you will substitute in x and y's place to calculate a. Therefore, 3 is equal to a over 2 plus 3 plus 2. Then in the next step under the line, 2 plus 3 is 5. And now you will take the 2 across to the 3. 3 minus 2 is a over 5. 3 minus 2 is 1 is a over 5, and solve a. Therefore, a's value is 5. And your equation of your hyperbola, y is equal to 5 over x plus 3 plus 2. Give the equation of the hyperbola in the form y is equal to a over x minus b plus q. Now what's given here is this point 1, 1, and that is the point of intersection of your two asymptotes. Therefore, you must understand that this is the line, this is your vertical asymptote, it's the line x is equal to 1, and your horizontal asymptote is the line y is equal to 1. And the point 3, 2 is this other point that you're going to substitute in x and y's place. So we will start with the equation y is equal to a over x minus b plus q. Then your vertical asymptote x is equal to 1, that 1 goes into p's place. Your horizontal asymptote y is equal to 1, that one goes into q's place. And then now we will substitute this other point, the point 3, 2 that was given, in x and y's place. Therefore, 2 is equal to a over in x's place 3 minus 1 plus 1. Then, under the line, 3 minus 1 is 2, and then we can take the 1 across. 2 minus 1 is a over 2, 1 is a over 2, solve a, therefore a's value is 2. And then your equation is y is equal to 2 over x minus 1 plus 1. In the next video, I will discuss an exam question on a hyperbola. Click on the video in the left-hand corner to take you straight to the next lesson.